Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Punit Mehta,
Good afternoon,
for
sir.
one more exciting Bajaj Allianz General Insurance live session.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So we have with us Mr. Punit Mehta from Mumbai, who is our very strong business partner, and he is with us since what he is here with us. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना हिंदी पिक्चर में 20 साल पुरानी बात है. He is like that. He is with us since 20 years. So since our beginning of Magic, we started our journey, and since there then he is there with us. He is our pillar. Whatever Magic is here today, a great name, great brand. So his contribution is very big in that. Thank you very much, Mr. Punit. Thanks for joining this session.
Thank you, sir, for having me for this session. It has been a pleasure working with such a big brand, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, and it's like working with our own company. It's our own company wherein we are working today and building up the milestones year on year basis.
Thank you very much. So when we take your name, it's like a legacy, that so much legacy you have built with us. And
Yes.
see, it goes without my adding to it, that it talks about your trust with Magic brand, and the Bajaj
Absolutely.
Allianz brand stood with you in all these 20 years and given fantastic service. Because I always believe any agent, for any agent, which is the biggest brand in the market, the agent himself is the biggest brand. Because if his name gets spoiled, he cannot do anything. So because of Magic name, you have done great, and we are blessed to have you with us. Thanks a lot.
It was a pleasure from our side, sir. Thank
Thank you. Should we,
you, sir.
this session is basically the special live session we are organized to
Yes.
talk about Bajaj Allianz General Insurance latest launch, which is a very exciting launch of Health Prime Rider, which is we
Yeah.
talk about this as a 360-degree wellness
Yes.
package. So it's
Yes, sir.
about that.
Okay, sir. I had you're talking about this Health Prime Rider. I had some questions over that. What is the importance of preventive healthcare uh, in our life today's time, basically?
Okay. Punit ji, देखिए, this particular, if you see these particular times where, COVID is, huge, first wave, second wave, third wave, and we never heard about this particular thing that, so many people across the world will die, suffer, a lot of disruptions has happened, and
Yeah.
completely new culture has formed, working from home and all those things, remotely working, remote meeting, Zoom
Right.
session, team session, this has evolved. So
Right.
health insurance, before also health insurance was there. Before also health insurance was always in demand. But if you see, before it was like a push product, we have to talk about health, go to customer, meet 8 to 10 customer, then one or two people used to give check. They used to take some time to compare and get back. But now if you see, people are waiting for somebody to go to them and sell them health insurance, and people are talking about adequate health insurance. Initially, health insurance was, as you know, it was considered as a miscellaneous product. Now, health insurance, around 15, 16 years ago, health insurance came to pedestal, and it is a talk of the town. People talk about health. But health insurance demand has started recently since COVID has come, and really opened people's eyes. Unfortunately, in a bad manner, that we lost lives. We understood so many hospitalizations, so many challenges people have faced, and because of that. But I'll tell you one thing: it's very important that health insurance has come to pedestal now. Everybody is going to get benefit out of it. And if you see health insurance now, also a lot of people don't go for adequate health insurance or health insurance policy for them, because they always think my employer has given me cover, so I don't need it. Actually, it's very important that employer cover is basically for the period till you are working there. Second way, if the employer thinks that the premium is going very high because of claim ratio, they may stop the cover also. So it's very important for our customers to have their own mediclaim, their own cover without fail, and that's what people are demanding today. So
How
health
this
insurance,
health,
if you see, huge demand. Yeah.
sir, how this Health Prime Rider will work for us in current circumstances, sir?
Right. So we're talking about preventive health care, health checkup. Preventive health care is extremely important. I always call it a proactive management. Okay. When we are all normal human being, we are enjoying our life, nothing is wrong with us, and one fine morning we just go for some medical test or some life insurance policy we want to take. If I take my example, in 2013 I applied for a life insurance cover of 1 crore rupees, and I just went for health checkup, and I got to know that I'm having diabetes. I was not at all aware because I was slim like this before also, and I was living a very nice lifestyle, a very a good brisk walk and taking so many sessions, enthusiastically talking to people. But that diabetes, when that report came, I was surprised. I said, not possible. Again, I got the checkup done, and then it was confirmed. What happened after that report? I modified my lifestyle even more. I started taking stairs more often than lifts. I started taking brisk walk regularly without fail, 1 hour brisk walk. I started meditating. I started getting less stressed. So what happens now? Nobody who meets me who never understand that this person could be diabetic, because I am always on my toes, always walking, talking, enthusiastically speaking to people with full of energy, enthusiasm. So what happens? That preventive health checkup thing, which I did because of life insurance, has opened my eyes, and I'm on track today. If I had not done that, maybe my situation would have deteriorated, and then it's difficult for me. Okay, and I get to know very late where I cannot correct it. So that is important today. And people are having health checkup package from their companies. They know that they should get annually health checkup done, but they don't go. We keep on postponing such things, and that's why this health prime rider comes in picture. Health prime rider ensures that people get themselves checked regularly. Health prime rider, I'll tell you, there are 9 variants in this. Individual 6 variants, and 3 are family floater variants. So what happens? I'll tell you one thing. I'll ask one question to you. If Mr. Punit, I come to you and I tell you, sir, you can get unlimited teleconsultation across India.
Oh my
More than 90,000 doctors are enrolled with us. More
God.
than 35 specialties are covered. So you can take anybody's appointment, okay, and get unlimited teleconsultation done. Second benefit is, if you want to meet doctor, because we in India we want face to face interaction with doctor, you meet doctor. So OPD benefits are also there in that particular rider. Third benefit is you get investigation, pathology lab, X-rays done. That is also built in that. And fourth benefit is you get annual health checkup done for you. More than 45 parameters are covered. And this particular package costs how much, this not cost, the how much benefit you can get out of it. You can get benefit worth 13,000 rupees.
Oh, very
Okay.
nice.
So for 13,000 rupees worth benefits, which are going to claim without any hospitalization claim, all OPD and consultation reports, all those things, you tell me how much will you pay for this? If I offer you this, how much will you pay for this?
From 3 to 5,000, if I'm not wrong,
Right?
at
You are
least.
a veteran in the industry. You priced it right. But 5,000 I will charge for 10 members of your family.
Oh,
We
very
charge
nice.
only 542 rupees plus
Wow.
GST, close to 640 rupees for the entire year. I was explaining to somebody. He told me, sir, I searched 6,000. You are charging 6,000, right? 500 per month. I said, no, no, it is not per month. 542 is per year. So it's
Well,
annual
yeah.
charge. Right. Okay.
Wow.
So this is what we are offering. And I'll tell you one more shocking thing. We started this package from 63 rupees plus GST
Oh my
yearly,
God.
not monthly, yearly,
Yeah,
to
yearly.
2,770 rupees, inclusive of GST,
From 15 to
for the
2007.
full family. Yeah, that's all. So monthly, how much? Monthly, 5 rupees
5 rupees, yes.
to, to monthly around 223 rupees, something like that, 225 rupees
Less than
monthly.
a tea cost. Less than a tea
Absolutely,
cost.
less than a cost of a tea. Okay, you go for
Yeah,
breakfast with your friend. At least you spend 300-400 for breakfast. Okay,
exactly.
so here we are offering this thing to you, which is fantastic, value for money. Most important is that this particular package gives you seamless servicing. Everything is app based. It is
Correct.
not a third party app. It is not a third party tie up that tomorrow it may not be sustainable for them and that tie up gets broken. It is not that. It's all in Bajaj family. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance having Caringly Yours app. Customer can
Exactly.
download it, use that benefit. Simple. You select that general practitioner or any specialty doctor. Okay, book his appointment online. He will give you consultation on video. He will send you prescription also on WhatsApp. Prescription.
Oh, very
Okay,
nice.
Everything is seamless. You don't have to go to toll free, call up, and the call get dropped, or a lot of waiting. People get frustrated. Or few companies offering OPD benefit or health checkup benefit, where the bills have to be submitted, 200 rupees worth bill, follow up 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, 2 months. People get fed up of it, and it is not productive. In fact, it becomes counterproductive for that company because the image is getting spoiled. Here, nothing is to be done. Completely cashless, seamless across India. Okay.
Understood.
So this is one benefit which we are offering on our platform, Caring Yours app. Okay, from Bajik again, from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, and seamless. So teleconsult everything. For example, OPD benefit again, online through app appointment. Go to doctor. The fees is already paid to the doctor. You don't have to pay it and claim it.
Yeah.
Okay, annual health checkup. You book an appointment with the best labs which we have got tie up with. Go to them again, or they come for home visit. That amount is already paid by us. So
So
that is the thing.
basically,
That is the simple.
sir, we can say that this particular rider will be completely an app-based rider for us.
Absolutely.
Completely,
Complete app based.
yeah.
And more
We can,
importantly, there is no third party app. There is no one more app you have to download because people are fed up of downloading so many apps. So
yeah,
Caring Yours app customer is already having. And through
correct.
that app only, he can use this entire benefit.
Sir, as you are aware, you have briefed us about the Health Prime rider as a wellness offering to the customers. But do you really think this can be a turn up for a powerful tool which actually changes the people's mindset towards health insurance?
Absolutely, sir. Thank you very much. The same thing that is our vision basically. I'll tell you, health
Okay.
insurance today. A lot of people take health insurance, and throughout the year they don't claim anything for inpatient hospitalization, and they
Okay.
think, which is wrong thinking actually. I always think when your Mediclaim or PA premium gets wasted, you should feel blessed that nothing has
Yeah.
happened to you and your family, right? But people
Right.
think that my premium got wasted. Okay, why I should pay that premium? That particular impediment, that particular challenge, or that particular mind block is getting cleared with this rider. People go for this rider, and people can get 10 times of the benefit. Whatever they're paying for the rider, 10 times worth benefit they are going to get. So they're very
Correct.
happy about it that they have taken that rider with the basic plan, and the benefits are so many that they're happy about it and they never feel that premium is lost because basic plan and prime rider total premium put together 2-3 times, so they are going to get the benefits worth. So that's the thing. Second thing, due to preventive health checkup, because we also are going to nudge people in the app itself, which is inbuilt, we are going to remind people that go for annual health checkup. We are going to remind people.
Okay.
It's not that they are forgotten and we are happy that we are saved that much money. It is not that. We want to nudge people because we want to make a healthier India. Our Bajik customer has to be a blessed customer. He has to be a happy customer, and his lifespan, his entire well-being should be taken care of. His lifespan should increase because he is Bajik customer. Okay, our MD and CEO Mr. Tapan Singhal always says we should talk to people about value. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance health insurance will never be cheaper. It
Yes.
will always be cost effective. We'll be giving great value to customer. You come to us, you pay slightly higher premium, but the services you get at the time of claims, the gracefully we pay the claim, okay, without much of the hassle. And I'll tell you, sir, you are knowing about it because you are a family member. But for the general public, I would like to appraise that check IRD figures. We are having best claim settlement in the industry, lowest grievances, okay, and lowest repudiation rate in the industry, and people are extremely happy. I'll tell you one example. Yesterday I was in Aurangabad. I was talking to one company's president, and his entire chairman's family has been covered with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance health insurance. They paid a premium around 10-15 lakh rupees for the family. I went to them. You understand, every call, it always starts with some negative and we have to convince
Yeah.
them. We
Yes.
sat, and the president started talking. He said, about Bajaj Allianz, I'll tell you something. I was just waiting what he'll say. He says, I'm so happy about it. They
Wow.
ask hospitals, they have taken survey. They ask hospital, they got 6 quotations from other companies. They ask hospital, which claims are settled fantastically, seamlessly,
Exactly.
and years together. It is not that one time, some particular period we have paid, March is near,
Mm.
we have paid. It's not that. They asked the hospital, all the hospitals came back to them and told them Bajaj Allianz is one company, best claim settlement. People are absolutely happy about it, and hospitals are very happy because there also payments is done on time. and
Right.
customers are happy. So then he finalized for his family also. So I think that's very important. When the customers talk like that, they feel happy. I'll tell you, Mr. Punit, when you have happy customers, what happens? You get a lot of references.
Exactly,
Your
sir.
business increases, new doors open for you, and a lot of
Exactly.
business come in. But what should be focus? Focus should be customers' welfare. When
Well,
customer welfare is taken care of, our welfare is already taken care of. So this
exactly.
particular app, this particular Prime Radar is taking care of agents' welfare, customers' welfare, nation's welfare, because so many people will be offered employment as an IC30 agent. They can join as IC30 agent. They can do great volume due to Health Prime Radar. They can earn 20,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. And I'll tell you, if they retire in 7 years' time, even if they stop business on renewal, they'll be earning 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakh rupees per month for lifetime,
Wow.
because health insurance never expires. It is
Never.
lifetime activity, right? It never expires. In fact, your
It
earning
keeps on
increases over.
growing. Yeah, it keeps
Right.
on growing.
That's what. So that's what we are planning. And you are the live example. You are with us.
Yes,
It's
well,
so live example.
we've been with you all and we have seen the thick and thin of with Bajaj Allianz. And always Bajaj Allianz stood by us at the time of calamities, whether it was Mumbai calamity, JN calamity, any calamities you say.
That's what.
Bajaj Allianz has been rock solid with us all these times.
That's what counts.
Pleasure
That's
was,
why whenever you talk so confidently. You
yes, sir.
talk so
Yes, sir.
confidently because you know these rock solid companies with you, and we
Yes,
are
yes.
so happy because person like you, lot of agents like you, since 20 years they are with us. It's a
Yeah, yeah.
legacy. It's a legacy.
Yeah. It's a legacy with us.
So any other question?
No, sir. Thanks a lot. It was a pleasure talking to you. Uh, hope to meet you all in person also very soon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Sir, I'll tell
Yeah.
you one more thing. I
Yeah.
meet you, for example, and your mobile is lying there, you take some calls. Okay. I look at your mobile, and without looking at anything, I understand you are using Apple. You're using iPhone.
Mm.
How?
Okay.
Because your mobile back cover, that Apple logo is seen.
Yeah.
Okay. There are no
Correct. Correct.
back cover where the Apple, that logo is hidden, because that's
Yeah.
a
Exactly.
prestige point. Okay, people
That's a
buy
pleasure.
because of prestige. So Bajik
Correct.
is like
Correct.
that. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance products are like that. So
Yes, sir.
any customer I find tomorrow, he's happy, healthy, and in great shape with Health Prime Rider. I'm very sure I can, looking at the customer, I can recognize he is Bajaj Allianz General Insurance customer, because he is
And
leading a happy and completely
healthy
healthy
life.
life. And same with
Absolutely
agents
no
like you.
doubt about it.
Yes.
I'm with you
Thank
on
you very
this.
much.
And we would be definitely doing some good volumes with these health prime riders, adding to our existing product, and definitely looking forward for a good volumes in future.
Absolutely, sir. I'm very sure about it. And I'll tell you one thing, your success is like, bacon for people. When people look at it, people
Correct.
know that this is the success I can also, basically, I'll tell you, when you started 20 years back, it must have been very challenging. Today with app, so much fantastic, remotely also we can work, so many app development, technology development, AI platform. With less effort, you can come, people can come to this level, your level.
Right.
So you're like a guidance for them. You're like a lighthouse for them. So we are blessed to have you. I wish you all the best.
Pleasure
And
is
we
mine.
see again, business in multifold because of this Prime Rider. I'm very sure about it. Thanks a
Thank
lot,
you
sir.
very much. Thank you very much.
Okay. Have a great day. Thanks.
Same to you.